What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing a tier list for YouTubers. So let's get straight into this. And yeah, what's up, Alright, guys. As you saw that, I'm gonna be doing a tier list. First up, Sane. This dude, he's an absolute riffing legend. Best YouTuber of all time. Flipping it, yeah. And Sane. You better watch this video. Watch it, please. Okay, anyways. So, oh wait, I forgot. S2 is like the best. A2, good, but not better than S, obviously. B2, okay. Then C2, and then D2 is the worst. What? And automatically, Sane, you get S2. Alright? Okay, next up, Mr. Beast. Oh, I did not just put beat. Wait, a YouTuber popped up when I put beat. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, guys, pretty sure the most popular person on YouTube. I'm gonna make a bunch of people unsubscribe to me. I'm giving him a B2. I'm sorry, guys. He's just he's good, but like he's not that good. I'm sorry. B2. Gosh damn. 13 years ago. I'm very sorry, guys. Now, we're gonna do 10. Oh. Okay, 14. What's up? The thumbnails, not bad, but seriously, the funniest story brain rot video. What the hell, bro? Besides all the brain rots and stuff, his videos are pretty good. So, I'm gonna give him a B2. Oh, should I give him an A2? B2, yeah, B2. Okay, guys. Now, for the last one, we're gonna do I can't talk right now. I can't talk. Okay. I forgot the name. SML, yeah. Oh my gosh, stop it. SML. Okay. Then, I don't know if I should give an S2 or an A2. S2, not better than Hussein. But they're still like super good. I love them. Subscribe to these to SML. Subscribe to Hussein also. Okay. And alright, guys. Wait, no, I'm gonna do one more. Just one more. Ben Azrael. I'll give him. I don't know if I should give him an A2 or an S2. I'll give him an A2. Some of his videos are clickbait, but yep, still giving him an A2. So yeah, guys. that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on all notifications. Peace.